Hello guys, welcome to First Step Innovation. Today we are going to make smart keyboard door lock system. Components used: Arduino Uno, adapter cable, keypad, one channel relay module, batteries, jumper wire. Let's do the circuit wiring. Here we are using 4x4 keypad having 4 columns and 4 rows. Total 16 buttons. 4 rows are connected to the Arduino pin 13 to 10 and columns 9 to 6. The relay module negative connected to the ground and positive to 5 volt. Here we are also using solenoid. Make sure to do the circuit wiring correctly. Here is the code of this project. Don't forget to choose the correct board and port. See how this project works. This is how this project works. The passkey is changeable. You can change according to your wish. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe and follow us for more.